What is going on, everybody? It is Wednesday, July 24th, and we are back for another round of Halloween Horror Nights construction updates here at Universal Studios Florida. Not going to waste any time today. Let's go ahead and step inside and get started. Not too much going on in Hollywood. I do see these new lights over here down by Mel's that they put up. These are just kind of like general mood lighting, but yeah, otherwise I don't see too much. I don't really see anything else going on in Hollywood that they've added since we were here last time. Not too much going on over here in Central Park today. I do see they've added some new shrubbery by these stages here, so a little bit to fill in underneath the stages here and kind of hide it a little bit. My buddy Kevin pointed out that they've got a lot of these lights set up behind the paneling to shine through here. Should be pretty cool looking once they get done. I noticed the other day that there were some people sitting on these set pieces, and it actually looks like maybe one of them split a little bit right there if you look. So yeah, they got these signs up now letting you know that it's set pieces. Maybe stay off of them. Looks like they've added a speaker underneath this treehouse as well. They had a little press event in the UK last night, and there was some concept art that they released that we'll be showing here. And one of them is these wires across the towers here in Central Park. Definitely going to be hanging some moss here. You can see it in the concept art. So looks like they've added some wire here too as well. Up under the awning here of the Battery Park area, they've installed some lights for some more mood lighting. A few lights on the back side of the structure as well of the Battery Park food booth area. And then over here by the water's edge in Battery Park, they have added some monitors as well. Probably for menus, so this is definitely, I'm thinking it's just going to be a food area, so these lights, not going to be a scare zone, I'm pretty confident it's just going to be like a food area. There's not even screens in there, it's just empty, just like the mount for the screen. My buddy Kevin pointed out that there's actually lights down in the truss work, so see some lights shining up through the trusses here. All right, let's head into the New York area and see what we can find in here. Yeah, it looks like they've installed some new string lighting here in between the buildings. Got these like colored light bulbs in it. Got a few updates in Sting Alley. They've hung up some more of these string lights across the top here. Same style as the other ones that we're seeing across the main section of New York here. I think they've added some more ambient lighting up here. The big square, same ones that we just saw in the truss work over there, but yeah, it's kind of just like general ambient mood lighting. See some of these new ones they've added up. And this is going to be the big update for the day. They've added a new stage over here in the New York section. They have that with that press event that I was talking about earlier in the UK. The concept art for the Torture Faire scare zone shows this big stage, and you can kind of see the park behind it. So pretty much confirms that this section is going to be that Torture Faire scare zone over here. And that is going to do it for today's update video. Not too much going on, a few cool things. Excited to see what they do next. We've got Midsummer coming up this weekend, so excited to see what kind of announcement comes out of that. But yeah, thanks for stopping by again, and we'll see you next time.